Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the best finds to elevate your lifestyle, and today, we're featuring the best shoe wall storage you can get online. If you're tired of shoes cluttering your doorway or closet floor, this sleek, space-saving solution from Jchccu is the answer you've been looking for. Let's dive into what makes this 2-pack wall-mounted shoe rack perfect for narrow spaces and tight corners. With its modern, minimalist design, it brings together functionality and aesthetics in one smart package. Each unit is designed to hold up to 8 pairs of shoes, so together, this 2-pack can accommodate 16 pairs, whether adult sneakers or your kids' everyday footwear. What really sets it apart is its adjustability. Each rack can be expanded from 17.5 inches all the way to 30.7 inches wide. That means whether you have a snug hallway or a spacious entryway, this rack adapts to fit your available wall space. And it's not just for shoes. 4 built-in hooks let you hang keys, hats, scarves, or even small bags, adding an extra layer of convenience. Now let's talk quality. The entire frame is crafted from premium metal, polished for a refined finish, and strong enough to hold up to 20 pounds. That's plenty of support for daily use. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just want an organized closet, it's built to last and won't wobble or bend under pressure. Whether you install it in the bedroom, entryway, closet, garage, or even a balcony, it blends seamlessly with modern decor while making your space look cleaner and more spacious. So if you've been on the hunt for a wall-mounted shoe rack that actually looks good, saves space, and holds up over time, the Jchccu 2-pack adjustable wall shoe rack is the one to beat. Expandable, sturdy, easy to mount, and versatile for any room, it's a smart investment for any organized home. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more weekly product deep dives here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.